Most of the people are earning by applying different types of strategy on online from the every corner of this world. But remember, skilled and professional persons are earning more and more from various types of marketplace. So if you don't have any previous knowledges or experiences, I cordially request to watch this whole video to start your journey on that platform. So this is my payment proof, which I have confirmed that payment from only 50 email selling that on that website. So you can start your journey on that website, which I will use share today. So these websites are called www. Hey, this is make money online. In every single day I upload a video for you to ensure your extra cash. I mean, if you are a newbie or a first time you are watching this video, I cordially request to subscribe this channel and click the bell button to get all types of informative latest learning and earning related videos from this channel. And also, if you are appreciate my videos, smash the like button to get all types of notifications and share more and more. On the other hand, if you want to make money online just like this and keep watching on, now I would like to introduce my first channel. This is called Learning and Earning Tube, and if you are a new one in this channel, I also cordially request to subscribe this channel and click the bell button to get all types of notifications from this channel. So let's get started. Alright, if I search on Google how to create a Gmail account, so you will watch these 6 steps to complete or to ensure your Gmail account at a glance. First of all, go to Gmail www.gmail.com, click create account. This sign up form will appear. Next, enter your phone number to verify your account. You will receive a text message from Google with a verification code, and that's it. These are the total criteria to ensure your verified Gmail account. It is very important for run your business or business manager or to do all types of work on online. I want to show you which websites will exactly pay you for your Gmail account. But remember this one, we need a Gmail account to do all types of online works. But if you have any only one phone number, you can create only one verified Gmail account. But most of them should remember that we don't have more and more phone numbers to create more and more Gmail accounts. So I would like to watch this whole video. How will you create your more and more 30, 40, 50, 60 Gmail accounts step by step following this strategy. So this is called, first website is receive-sms.com. These are trustworthy website. You can collect your phone number, or I mean to create a new Gmail account or verified Gmail account. You can collect this number according to the country. As you can see here, this is the trustworthy, and you can use this phone number to create more and more Gmail account. This is the first website. Now I want to share another website. This is called playerup.com. This is called the playerup.com. After coming here, you have to create a free account on this platform here. Then after logging on this platform, you will get this an amazing interface. Just click on this here. Now I would like to open another tab. If I look at a glance, you will get lots of opportunities to sell or buy your creating verified Gmail account. So you're watching this one, and if you search step by step, and this one 10 to 100 Gmail accounts for sale only $33, and this one is $43, $22, $15, $10, $2, and many dollars you can earn by selling your verified Gmail account after creating an account on this playerup.com. We can never spend, or we can never create any account on online platform without using our Gmail account or verified Gmail account. By creating this Gmail account, you can sell more and more, or you can ensure your sale by following this strategy at a glance. $1, $2.5, much more you can sell whatever you like, or as you can see here. So this is my second website. Now I would like to share another one. This is called epicandpc.com. This is called trust. This is a trustworthy website. I mean, this is a forum site. Lots of people are visiting on this website to sell and buy their Gmail account. On the other hand, they are also selling YouTube channel, selling, or on the other hand, social media account such as Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, Instagram. So first of all, you have to come to this website and create an account by providing all types of informations. And if you complete your verification, you can also sell your email account more and more. So this is my next website. And after doing this one, first time I have shared this one. How will you collect your phone number after coming to this website? And number 2 is called playerup.com. You can list all types of Gmail account for selling more and more. And number 3 is called epicandpc.com. This is another forum website. You can also sell lots of email after coming or after creating your account on this platform here. After doing this, you can earn 50, 20 or 30 or 100 or $500 per month. But if you want to ask any questions, what are the best paying opportunities to sell your email, so I would like to share another one. This is called the Fiverr.com. Fiverr is a professional marketplace. There are lots of categories you are as you can see here, and you can also sell your Gmail account by creating your account on this platform here. So I cordially request to watch my all types of Fiverr related tutorials from my learning and earning tube. So after watching this videos, you can start your earning on Fiverr.com just without any types of previous knowledges or experiences. You have to create your account on this platform and make a eye-catchy or authentic or unique gig to increase your sale more and more. If you watch at a glance, I will create verified Gmail accounts for US and other, and his ranking is 4.7, and he has started his service $30, and this guy has also are selling more and more by creating an account on this Fiverr.com platform. On the other hand, you also use this freelancer.com. If you don't have any account on freelancer.com, I cordially request to create an account on this platform easily and for free. On the other hand, you will create other accounts such as peopleperhour.com. Also you can sell your email more and more for earning in this strategy. Now I would like to share another statistics about epicandpc.com. This is the similar web statistics. Last month 1.25 million visitors have visited the websites to sell your email account, I mean verified email account, more and more by using this epicandpc.com. And also you can also sell your Gmail account playerup.com. This is my whole video I have shared with you, and if you are a newbie on my YouTube channel, just if you didn't subscribe this one, please subscribe and click the bell button to get all types of make money online related videos from this channel, and like, share more and more. Stay cool, stay connected with make money online, and stay safe. I'll catch you guys in my next video. Till then, take care.